Hi! Guess what? I'm moving across the country alone. I'm so excited, so scared. I'm already here, so there's that. But I just wanted to create an intro for this video because I just remembered that I literally did it because moving day, which was like 3 days ago, I was just so out of it. I was hungry, I was tired, running off of 2 hours of sleep. So we are here, we made it to Florida. I'm gonna be moving from upstate New York, where I was born and raised, to South Florida, specifically Boca Raton for college. I'm gonna be a freshman at Lynn University in a few days. It's gonna be this Thursday, this Friday. I can't believe I'm like actually doing it. So yeah, I am going to be moving across the country alone. And I know that some people don't consider moving for college moving across the country because you're not like moving everything. But I don't know anyone there doing this by myself. And none of my family has ever moved across the country for anything. My family grew up where I grew up, and like literally my dad's childhood home, 5 minutes away from my house. My mom's childhood home, 20 minutes away from my house. The only family that I have down here is my grandparents, but they're like an hour and a half away from my campus, and I don't have a car, so I'm not really gonna be seeing them ever. Moving day was August 16th. Right now it's the 19th when I'm filming this, but it was August 16th. I landed in Orlando, drove down to Stewart. I'm staying there currently right now, and then tomorrow I leave for Boca, which is about an hour away from Stewart, and then I move in the 22nd. So yeah, I can't wait to show you the whole moving process. Thank you so much for being here. Let's go. Hi, it's really late, 4:41 a.m. right now. I can't talk loud because my family's sleeping. I leave tomorrow to cross the country alone. I'm like freaking out, but also like I feel like my freaking out stage kind of ended. I felt so nostalgic for everything. It's like March since I knew that I was coming. Everything has felt like this is my last of this, my last of this. And I know that that comes with like your senior year and stuff. I don't know, it's just so much different when you're living it. I feel like moving is gonna be a really good opportunity for me. I want to talk about this again, but I don't want to whisper. I just can't believe this is like actually happening. Like, I'm gonna go before I cry more. But tomorrow when I leave. Hi Julius, I love you. You know what? My room. It's my last time here for a while. I'll see you for Thanksgiving. Okay, so don't mind the TV in the background, but we're finally at the airport. Still, literally no one here. There's, in the whole airport besides employees, there's 2 other people. Like, it's a small airport, I know that, but I was expecting there to be like other people on the flight. But our flight was supposed to be at 12:16, and then apparently it got moved earlier to 30 minutes earlier. And now apparently it's gonna be at 3 p.m. So we rushed here for nothing. We got some snacks. So I'm just gonna eat this and try not to fall asleep. Hi, it's been a few days. If I'm being honest, the last few days have been pretty rough, to be honest. I've been dealing with like some mental health issues. I don't want the rest of the time that I'm here with them to be horrible. I mean, I've done everything I can to try to make it a good experience, but there's only so much that I can do because I can't change other people's behavior and their actions and their words. But social media 100% is definitely an illusion. Yeah, just don't trust everything you see on social media is all I have to say. Let's talk about what's happening right now. So I just got food at a place called 3 Natives. I got first a smoothie. It has pink dragon fruit, raspberries, bananas, almond milk, and honey. I think that's it, yeah. Because I wanted, yesterday I got one with like kale and like tropical fruit, which personally I like the flavor of that better than this. Because I'm not too into the taste of raspberries, but I wanted something with like dragon fruit specifically and a lot of fiber because it's good for your digestion. Before I had this, I took a ginger shot so that I could like warm up my digestive tract before I had something cold because like cold drinks aren't the best for your digestion. Because I'm trying to like improve my gut health right now. It's like this whole journey. I was looking up everything about like traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine last night so that I could try to just heal my gut health, and not only heal my gut health but also just be healthier. I also got this, gosh, I almost ate the toothpick. I got this bagel sandwich. It's just a plain bagel, cream cheese, avocado, cucumber, tomato, and I think like broccoli sprouts. There's some sort of sprout on it. It came with some kettle cooked chips. Today I got this turmeric shot. I think it's literally just, oh no, it's turmeric root, lemon, and water. They gave this to me for free because I already had points in my account. So I'll have this popcorn later or tomorrow. There's so many seeds. Oh my gosh, you see the bottom? The bottom? Look how many seeds is in that. Like, ugh. The texture's not it. But anyways, I'm about to go into this museum. It's like about surfing history or something like that. Okay, I'll see you there. Bye. I just got my results back and I got my aesthetics license. Oh my gosh.
There's a camera on the camera.
Currently we're on the way to dinner for my dad's birthday. He wanted Italian and it's literally like 20 feet away from the hotel. Like it's not even walking distance, it's a joke. Like it literally is right attached to the hotel. So, whoa, this lighting is so blue. So we're about to head there. My family gave me like 10 minutes to shower and get ready. So my hair is still soaking wet, no makeup. I just like, they gave me no time to get ready this entire trip. Like I'm just a girl. I need like at least an hour and a half. This is the fit of the night. I'm gonna change my shoes to different sandals right now. Most literally never felt oilier in my life. Okay, I didn't like vlog anything today. I was just at my grandparents' house, but we are finally in Boca. I'm heading to the grocery store to get dinner because I'm too tired to go to a restaurant. Okay, I finally just got to Publix. I'm really tired, to be completely honest. I didn't really do much today. I didn't really feel like recording today, but tomorrow I'm gonna be buying, that's my brother, don't mind him. Tomorrow I'm gonna be buying everything for my dorm, so I'm really excited about that. I don't know what he thinks he's doing. So I'm gonna pick out a quick snack and then I have like a questionnaire to fill out for my college. This is what I got. Some of it I'm gonna have for dinner and some of it I'm gonna like just keep in my room. We got some dates and then I got 2 of these shot things. This is like ginger. Why is it not focusing? Hello? Okay, it's not gonna focus. This is spirulina and ginger. This one's like turmeric. And then I want to try the difference between these vegan bites versus the regular ones. Doritos, 2 dragon fruits are on sale, and because like I'm obsessed with them. And also I got like this fully vegan stuff. I think it has like turkey and cheese and some other crap. I don't know. It looks really good.
You give me butterflies when.
Good morning. It's the day before move-in. Finally, feel crusty, dusty today. I need to shower very badly. I'm not even gonna wear makeup because it's not worth it. Because I'm gonna be doing a lot of moving today and whatever. So today is probably the day that you've been waiting for. If not today, you've been waiting for a day, which is tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But today we're gonna be buying everything for my dorm. I already bought a lot of the stuff online. So that's gonna be like shipped and delivered into my dorm. I keep getting notifications that it's already there. And then today we have a long list of stuff that we're getting. And then there's gonna be a few more other things that I'm gonna be getting after I see the dorm and actually measure, such as like the rug, the fridge, microwave, stuff like that. And also I want to talk to my dorm roommate about it and see like how we want the dorm to look. It's been like hard communicating like over Instagram DM. Sorry, it's really loud right here.
Things became, now it feels so great. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butter.
It's super quiet in here, so I don't want to talk for too long or too loud, but I just made it to Home Goods. I just actually got soaked out in the parking lot because it was raining. There's a few more things on the list that I haven't gotten so far, and then the rest of it I'll just buy online. So let's pick out that stuff. We made it back to the place. There was literally nothing at Home Goods except chip clips. So that's all we got there. But yeah, we have to buy most of the stuff on Amazon.
5,000 Advil.
I did not buy. Is this 5,000 this is a normal size bottle, right? Plus, I don't really take Advil that much, so maybe I don't need this much. Hi, happy moving day. Okay, so I finally made it to my dorm. The check-in process took like literally 2 hours. First, I had to get the iPad, get just a bunch of stuff like the key, the mailroom key, bunch of stuff. We're finally in the dorm now. So let me give you a quick tour without it being finished. My roommate already moved in and put her stuff out. It looks really cute so far. So like the reason I say so far is because my half of the room looks like ridiculous right now. So let me show you the before. So when you walk in, this is my side of the room. Looks crazy so far, but we're just getting started. We got our sink over here. It's on my side of the room. I have like nice big dresser. I have a wardrobe, I have a desk and my bed, and then we just have like air conditioning. So yeah, this is the before. I'm really excited. We still have to get everything out from the car, but it's literally raining so bad right now outside. So we're gonna see how that goes, but okay, let's get started. I just moved some stuff in, some more stuff in from the car. I have to go like find my RA or something because they said that the RAs have to lift up the beds and that we're not allowed to lift them up, and I have no idea who they are. There's literally no one else in the hallway moving right now. I think everyone else is in their room. So I'm gonna go try to find someone. I literally have no way, I have no sense of direction around this campus so far. It's not even a big campus at all, but currently very lost. I'm gonna keep looking around. I'm gonna try to find any human being and ask them who the RAs are and how they can lift the bed. Okay, so let's figure this out. By the way, the view out my window, like usually I wouldn't show it because I don't want to show where I'm living, but it's literally just a construction site. Like, this is what I wake up and see in the morning. But I think they're building more dorms here. Finally got it raised. That was a process. I'm ready to go to sleep right now. I'm just gonna go to sleep on this mattress. And I still have to use the bathroom. I didn't even use the bathroom yet because I just want to go to the beach. But I can't because it's raining. We just made it to Walmart. My orientation starts in an hour and I have to be back at the school in like 30 minutes, so we are rushing. I have to get a fridge, I have to get a microwave, I have to get a garbage, and a whole bunch of other shit, so let's get started. I had to go to garbage and a mattress pad and a few other little supplies, but I feel like this is way too small. I don't know, like, I don't know anymore. Later on the day now, there's a little bit of improvement, but honestly, everything else is gonna have to be done all the rest of the days. Bed is sort of made. Like, there's no comforter yet, so I just have like a blanket on. And then this all has to be moved around, but my family helped pack and put this up, which is nice. All my stuff still has to be taken out, but it'll be done eventually. Me and my roomie and everyone in the building has like a meeting with our RA in a few minutes. So we're gonna head to that. And then there's like a few other events tonight. So I don't know, we're gonna go to that. But good morning, happy second day in the dorm. This is the fit for the day. It's pretty basic. I got the little red bag, got this out of my mom's closet. I have to go to my orientation meeting in literally 5 minutes, so let's go walk there. But first, everything will hopefully be done by the end of today. I'm gonna skip some of the events so I can clean. It was freezing in my room last night. I could like barely fall asleep. And also we have construction going on right outside my window. So literally I woke up to some guy like literally on TikTok on his phone, like a construction worker who was like right outside my window, like sitting on the windowsill. And when he would talk, it sounds like he's literally in the room, which is fine, but apparently this construction's gonna be going on all year. So also I tried to curl my hair, but my hair's not really holding a curl. It kind of is. Anyways, I have to go, otherwise I'm gonna be late. Bye. We're at Walmart. You can't even see it. Okay, I know that this whole vlog has been absolutely so choppy, so I apologize for that. Also, I apologize for my family talking in the background. A lot of time has gone by. I've been in and out of other stores. I went to the container store. I got a bunch of containers, obviously, for my dorm and put those in. I was putting some stuff away, but we are back out at Walmart. I'm gonna get just a few last things and some more snacks and stuff. And also I had to grab everything from the mailroom, from like Amazon, everything that I ordered, because I ordered like everything online. So I brought that back to my room and stuff. Yeah, and there's just also been a bunch of events also that I haven't been able to film. Like I went to like this 3-hour-long orientation. I was falling asleep the entire time, but some of the information was important, so that's good. So we're gonna go in there. I have to get like a step stool and snacks and just a bunch of other stuff, so let's go. Currently plant shopping, and I kind of want to come home with every single one of these, but not only is there not room, but I don't want to annoy my roomie. So currently I'm getting this one, and I want to get like some sort of hanging plant and then maybe like 1 or 2 more. So let's see. Hi, it's Saturday. I ended up making a lot of progress in my room last night. I finished cleaning up everything that was in 2 of the suitcases. I have a bunch of garbage to bring out of my room though, but I'll just show you how it looks right now. And I also went plant shopping, as you can tell. But yeah, all of this still has to be finished. My comforter hasn't come in. All of this is trash. This has to be thrown out. But I finished putting away a lot of products and all my clothes are finally put away, which is awesome. There's still quite a bit to do, but we are making good headway. I think I'm just gonna end off this video here. Anyways, thank you for being here. Bye.
Can't call you up when it's late at night.